Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. This is Daniel Rogers with LaborNotInVain.com, and I got a couple of announcements for you for today. Number one, I converted my Thessalonians commentary into an ESword module, and you'll be able to go and download that on the website now for free. That's LaborNotInVain.com. Just click on LNIV Store, and you should be able to download that ESword module right to your computer, and simply just paste it into your ESword file under local disk C on your computer, and it'll show right up there on the side so you can read the commentary as you read through 1 Thessalonians. Another thing, our Revelation class at the Hickory Street Church of Christ is through with lesson number 2. All of the lecture notes for lessons 1 and 2 are available on our website, christiansinarcadia.org/revelation. Another thing, I've also been reviewing Norm Field's videos on what is realized eschatology. I finished all those videos and they should be ready to watch now. Parts 1, Part 2, as well as Part 3. If you'll see behind me, I'm actually in the middle of getting all the Preterist Pilgrim Weekend stuff together. All the speakers sent me their information. I'm compiling it into one document, and we'll make that available at labornotinvain.com/ppw-2018, or you can just simply click on the menu link that should be at the top of the page. Thank you so much for all your support. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you in the next live stream.